Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is still fresh, but the rumor mill is already churning out exciting details about its successor, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And let me tell you, it's shaping up to be a significant upgrade. While official details are scarce, leaks suggest a phone that refines the already impressive S25 Ultra, focusing on key improvements in camera technology, performance, and battery life. The camera is the star of the show. While the 200MP main sensor is expected to return, rumors point to significant enhancements. We're talking improved pixel technology, a redesigned lens, and potentially even a variable aperture for greater creative control. The 10MP 3x telephoto lens might be replaced by a new, higher-resolution sensor, possibly the Isocell Gen 5, promising superior zoom capabilities and sharper images. Some leaks even suggest a reduction in the number of rear cameras, focusing on quality over quantity with AI-driven image processing. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 or a successor is expected to power the S26 Ultra, delivering blazing fast performance and improved energy efficiency. Leaks also suggest a slightly larger battery capacity than the S25 Ultra, potentially reaching 5,500 mAh or even 6,000 mAh, combined with software optimizations for extended usage. Faster charging speeds are also anticipated. The display is expected to be a stunning 6.8-inch or 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Expect improvements in brightness, potentially exceeding 3000 nits for better outdoor visibility. The design is likely to be an evolution of the S25 Ultra's design, with possibly subtle refinements to bezel size. The S Pen remains a key feature, though some rumors suggest it might be housed externally rather than internally, potentially contributing to a slimmer profile. The S26 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 8 based on Android 16, bringing new AI-powered features and enhancements. Samsung is committed to providing 7 years of software updates. Price-wise, expect a premium flagship price, potentially slightly higher than its predecessor due to global economic factors and increased component costs. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra promises to be a powerhouse of innovation, building upon the strengths of its predecessors while pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. While we await official confirmation from Samsung, the leaks and rumors paint a compelling picture of a truly exceptional smartphone. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.